Oh, hello, hello. Surprising day. Quite surprising. The internals flipped. This is not something that is very typical. They were negative or below zero until one third, until 12. What it says here? Edit. This value is zero. 160. So they were negative here. Advance and decliners flipped around 11:30 to trend positive. Same did, of course, the S&P 500. And the sectors here as well. So let me take a picture of this picture and send it to Discord. So if I open Discord, I go intraday, I say improve at the close. So my question here is not, this is not a day for the Bulls, right? They didn't do anything great. It's not that is the market is positive. It is not. It's still trading below yesterday. The SPX is about, but if we look at the NQ is 0.6, ES is 0.15, NDX, NDX it's point, yeah, 0.56. So XPX, we keep XPX. What had happened? So I went through the news, nothing major hit the news. I went through key stocks, right? And you tell me. I don't have an answer. This is simple enough for us to find answers and look at the media. But the truth is, uh, um, it's not. It's not so simple. So let me focus on what happened. Microsoft is about flat. So that was not, right? NVIDIA, let me maximize this. At 1010 was the low, right? NVIDIA 1010. Apple had it much later. Tesla at 11. 1010, the same Meta. So NVIDIA and Meta at 1010 in the same 5 minutes candle. It turned. Google at 11:05. So about an hour later. Microsoft 9, right? Did the Bears just finish? They ran out of bullets? I don't think so. I mean, today was the day to really do a lot of damage. Today was the day. I mean, let's go to the let's go to Ninja Trader. We can see. Um, Let me change it to another workspace with daily charts. And it will take some time to load, but it's going to load. So this is the ES on daily candles. I can zoom so you see better. Now, I mean, I don't like having having candles here, but fine. It, I don't want drawings, right? I don't want drawings. So this is it. Daily candles. Today was the day. I mean, to close at the low, and now it's flipping. Well, we can do the Fibonacci retracements from here to here. It was 50%, right? So now it really tried. It could have done it, right? It could have done it. Why is this going to the left? Go to the right. Inside, right. Template, save, apply. Okay, right. So now we are back at 50% range. Great. I mean, now what? Going here in the weekly candle. So yeah, it's clear. We have an indecision candle a week ago. Now we push lower. We didn't close at the low, but we were so close, right? And now we are back into this level. We were at the monthly level negative. We were here, right? This is okay. This is the monthly level. So even though this value is, let me see, I'll show you. You see, this is 7. I guess I can put the line here. So we'll see. Control I, price line. Uh, don't want a yellow. On Peru, apply. It's not Peru. Gray, apply. So this is the price. It's 20. It's 20 points, right? 20 points, and it did not. So okay, what did it change? What? I don't have the answer. If you know someone that has the answer, tell me, because today was the day to really put the pressure down, and it didn't. What happened? Let's see what happened to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a 3% up on the day. Let's see at what time it was the low. So at 10 11:05, right? Then silver, it's positive on the day. Um, and then gold, it's positive on the day. It's not greatly positive, but it's positive. Tesla is not, right? Yeah, it was a flip on the sentiment. That's it. I guess the bears said enough is enough, and they gave up. They started collecting profits, and they said, I don't want to hold the trade, but it's clear that from 11, from 10, 15 is better in here with the top equities. You see, at the time we had the lows today, the earliest was okay, but this doesn't really count, right? Proper low. The one that I like the most is this two in the middle, 1010 and Nvidia, and 1010 on Meta, and it flipped. They turned positive on the day. They are at yesterday's near yesterday's closing price with 10 minutes to go. I'm going to conclude the week. It was a hard week. I was under the impression we were not going to sell hard, and we did. Happy that the PNL is what it is, and that's it. I'll catch you tomorrow. It was, yeah, not tomorrow. I'll catch you next week. See you and take care. Bye bye.